Hey there, wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, a tool that's making waves in the world of web design. It's called Dora. Well, buckle up, let's jumpstart into its test ride. We need to sign in and sign up, which I have done already. Well, if you want to test the product, you can sign up using a temp mail. Else you can sign in with Google account. Now I'm on my dashboard. In the start, you will get 120 credits as free trial at the time this is video recorded. I'm going to prompt to it to create me a portfolio website for a full-stack web developer with some programming languages and thing I need in my portfolio. Also, I will add some inspirations about the websites and then let's see the magic. Well, according to experience with AI tools, you guys need to really craft your prompts to get best result out these tools. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit. You can also select any website style, and I'm just going to select randomly. As you can see, we got 4 different types of design with same color schema and tone. To generate any one of these, you need to spend 20 credits, and secondly, you can't zoom in into these examples to have better look, but rather you have to select one. Once you have made the selection, it takes some time to generate the content and prepare the professional look of the website. Let's see the website and its content. Overall website is looking amazing and images and content are quite relevant. We got about us section, professional experience and feature projects, even example, but we can't make changes to it. Next we have section for contact us, achievements, service offered, and a footer. Magnificent. Let's publish it and take a look on a real domain. Well, this was a great experience and I happily satisfied with the outcome. Also, let's check how it looks on mobile. Well, it looks like the Dora team is currently working on the responsiveness of the website, but we can manually fix this responsiveness issue. Lastly, you can upgrade the U plan and get a professional static websites within not time. As you can see, 4 different packages which suits you well, you can get it. On the left side of the screen is the menu to make some minor changes like changing color, font, page's name, and much more. I hope you like this tool and our video. Well, if you come this far, hit that subscribe and like button and comment your thoughts about this AI tool. Dora website link is in description and we'll see you in next video.